that one down the bottom. It's really big. Put the rock. Let's try that orange tree. This is brown. This one is really cute. Iron wood, right? Strong. That will go under. That will go on the bottom. Because if you not put something under, but your foot will pain, because it's too hot. This one now. And the fork, Chicken. Never mind. Let's go. Some leaves on the top. We put your pumpkin, your banana. You put the banana leaf beside it. See, one pot, right? You cook one pot, you put everything. Okay.